So I'm trying to solve this equation, which means I want to get this x by itself. So I have to somehow cancel out the operations that are being applied to it on this side. It doesn't matter that it's on the right side or the left side. If you really want to rearrange this, you could take this whole expression, take the 2 plus x divided by -4, and flip it onto that side and take the 11 and put it on the other side. If that makes you more comfortable, that's fine. Another way to rearrange it, if you have a plus sign here, we know that adding in different orders doesn't actually change the problem. So I could also change it to this plus 2 instead of 2 plus that. Again, if that makes you more comfortable, you can use that. I'm not going to solve it like that because I'm perfectly comfortable solving it how it is. I'm thinking about order of operations backwards. So if I had a number here, I would divide it by -4 and then add 2 to it. So that last operation is what I want to cancel out first, and I'm going to do that on both sides. I'm going to cancel out this positive 2 by minusing 2 on both sides of the equation. I take this whole expression and I subtract 2 from it. That cancels out 2. And I just take that 11 and subtract 2. That gives me 9. This comes down, nothing about that changed. Now I want to cancel out this dividing by -4. So I'm going to multiply by that exact same number. I don't change the sign here, so here I'm changing the sign. That's because a positive 2 plus a -2 cancels out completely. If I think about canceling out a multiplication or division, I want to use the exact same number. If I think about x divided by 3, let's call it a -3, times a -3, those operations completely cancel out, and it gives me basically a 1x. I really want to get that x completely by itself, and that's what that 1x really represents. So that cancels out, and if I do it on this side, I have to do it on the other side too. So I'm going to multiply by -4 to that 9. That gives me -36 equals x, and that is my final answer. Again, if you're more comfortable writing it on the other side, saying that x equals -36, that is the exact same thing.